Have you ever noticed that the harder you chase, the further she runs? The more attention you give, the less she values it. This is not an accident. It's psychology. It's human nature. And Stoic philosophy, ancient wisdom from Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus already revealed the truth centuries ago. If you want to be missed, you must first become scarce. Today, I'm going to show you how to make any woman miss you badly, even if she's not interested in you right now. Not by playing games, not by manipulation, but by mastering your mindset, controlling your energy, and living with such self-respect that your absence becomes louder than your presence. Stay with me, because what you'll learn in this next 5 minutes can completely change how women see you, and more importantly, how you see yourself. 1. The psychology of missing someone. Why chasing destroys attraction. The law of scarcity. We value what is rare, not what is abundant. Control what you can, your actions, not her response. 2. The power of distance. Absence triggers curiosity. Silence as a Stoic weapon. Words lose power when overused. Psychological, Zeigarnik effect. Unfinished connections stay in her mind. Why walking away makes her memory of you stronger. 3. The high-value man frame. Women miss men who live with purpose. Why purpose means chasing women. Seneca's teaching on focusing on your own growth. Building self-respect. Fitness. Finances. Mission. 4. Subtle signals that create longing. Let her see you thriving. Don't overexpose your life. Emotions under control create power. Stop feeding her ego with endless validation. 5. What not to do. Don't beg. Don't argue. Don't explain. Don't post desperate content online. Don't break no contact out of weakness. How weakness kills respect permanently. 6. The Stoic blueprint to make her miss you. Withdraw attention. Build yourself, body, mind, finances. Socially reappear stronger, calmer, more focuses. Interact with calm indifference, not neediness. Embrace the possibility that she never comes back. This detachment itself is the secret weapon. 7. Why detachment works. When you no longer need her, she needs you. Epictetus said, "Freedom is the power to choose your reaction." A man who values himself is impossible to ignore. Even if she never returns, you've gained respect, peace, and control. Women miss men who don't chase, who don't beg, who don't break themselves trying to be loved. They miss men who walk away, men who live by principle, men who are unshaken by rejection. That is the Stoic way. And the more you live by it, the less you'll ever worry about who stays and who leaves. Because the truth is, when you master yourself, you'll never need to be missed. You'll always be remembered.